Here's a 2017 Ram 1500. Nature can be nasty, but this 1500 is built to take it on. It empowers you to conquer all of life's terrains. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V8 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, streaming audio, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rear view mirror, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.